Hey folks, Ryder here with another educational bee video. Pete, my mentor, is here, and we have captured a queen from out of this hive inspection. You can see her right there. She's got a lot of her little friends tending to her, and we are going to put a dot on her.
Yellow is the color for this year, so we're going to use a yellow pen. And here we go. We push the foam up just till she turns her back, and then when she gets her thorax right there in the hole, a pen right here. And there we go. And then I'll put a little mark on her just like that. Beautiful. Let her dry out now. Give her maybe, I don't know, 30 seconds to dry out. Doesn't take long. Some people leave her for while they're working the hive. We've already closed this hive up, so we're going to let her walk in the entrance.
Should I pull the reducer out of the way, or
no? We'll just
put her down
set
there.
her down here.
Okay.
She wants to be in the dark, so she's just going to get out, walk right in. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to push the plunger up so she's
already out. There she is.
And there she goes. She's walking up, up, up. There she goes, and boom. She walked right in.
Right into the hive.
That's
All
it.
right.
All right.
So shout out to Gunter for giving me this hive, and thank you very much, Peter, for painting that queen and helping me with this hive inspection. And if you guys want to know more about beekeeping, check out Mount Diablo Beekeepers Association. It's mountdiablo.org. Diablobees.org. Thank you very much, Peter, for that. All right, that's it for this little educational video. Hope people enjoyed this.